Welcome to the Best Picks. The best alcohol meter is probably one of the most essential tools for both amateur and professional winemakers. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or just starting to explore the world of wine, knowing the alcohol content is key to understanding the wine's character and quality. In this video, we'll dive into the world of alcohol meters, exploring their importance and how to choose the right one for your needs. Number 5. Brix Refractometer with ATC for Homebrew. This Brix Refractometer is designed for accurately testing the sugar content of your liquids. It provides precise readings, making it ideal for various applications. The device offers dual-scale readings for both specific gravity and Brix. This allows you to easily monitor the progress of your brewing or winemaking process. Whether you're a homebrewer or a winemaker, this tool is perfect for you. It's also suitable for agricultural, gardening, and educational purposes. Get consistently accurate readings with a range of 0 to 32% Brix and 1.000 to 1.120 specific gravity. This ensures reliable results every time. With automatic temperature compensation, it's even easier to get fast and accurate results. This feature simplifies the process and saves you time. The main part is made of chromium, making it light but durable. It's easy to use and carry, so you can take it wherever you need it. What we like. This refractometer offers a dual scale, allowing you to measure both Brix and specific gravity. It also features automatic temperature compensation, ensuring accurate readings regardless of the temperature. If you're a homebrewer looking for a versatile tool to monitor sugar content and specific gravity, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The device is easy to use and provides accurate readings. The calibration process is straightforward, ensuring reliable results. The digital display is clear and easy to read, even in low light conditions. Number 4. Professional Handheld Alcohol Refractometer 0 to 80%. This refractometer accurately measures alcohol concentrations from 0 to 80%. The scale is precise, with increments as small as 1%. It's a reliable tool for your testing needs. The device features automatic temperature compensation. This technology ensures that you get quick and accurate alcohol concentration results, regardless of the temperature. Using this refractometer is incredibly easy. Just take a few drops of the liquid, place it on the prism, and cover it. Then, observe the field of view through the eyepiece. This is a professional-grade instrument designed for measuring alcohol concentration. It's specifically intended for testing distilled spirits, providing accurate readings. The refractometer is lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry. Its sturdy design and compact size ensure it's convenient to keep and use wherever you go. What we like. This alcohol refractometer provides accurate readings of alcohol concentration from 0 to 80%. It also has automatic temperature compensation for easy results. If you are looking for a professional-grade instrument to test the alcohol concentration of distilled spirits, this is the one for you. What people say. This refractometer should be used only for spirits. I tried on my 30% wine and this tool showed me 80%. Number 3. BREWER'S Elite Hydrometer, Deluxe Triple Scale Set. This hydrometer is rigorously tested to international standards in a lab before shipping. You can be assured of its quality and accuracy. It's a reliable tool for your brewing needs. Get access to a complimentary 3-month digital all-access pass. It brings you the latest insights and trends. Enjoy hundreds of hours of training videos. The easy-to-read color scale and specially designed font allow for clear readings. You'll know exactly when your brew is ready without any guesswork. It simplifies the brewing process. Effortlessly measure specific gravity, potential alcohol, and Brix. Whether you're crafting beer, wine, cider, or mead, this tool makes it easy. However, it is not suitable for high alcohol content spirits. Keep the hydrometer secure and organized with a protective storage case and a stylish microfiber cleaning cloth. This ensures the product's longevity and ease of use. What we like. This hydrometer is lab-tested for unrivaled quality and accuracy. It also includes access to brewing video courses and tutorials. If you like to learn and improve your brewing skills, this hydrometer is a great choice, because it offers both a reliable tool and educational resources. What people say. The device works, and gives a fairly good estimate on alcohol content. This is a very nice kit that contains everything you need to get started. Testing homebrew strength. Number 2. Brewing America Alcohol Meter Test Kit. This American-made kit is designed for testing distilled spirits. It meets standards set by the National Institute of Standards and Technology. It's perfect for measuring alcohol content in your home distilling beverages. This hydrometer is a must-have for distillers. You can use it in your still or draw a sample to measure the alcohol content. It ensures accurate readings for your grain liquor. The kit includes everything you need: an alcohol meter, a borosilicate glass test tube jar, a bottle brush, a storage tube, and a microfiber cloth. It also comes with a direction sheet and conversion chart. The equipment is made with high-quality borosilicate glass. This ensures it can withstand temperature variations during your tests. It also includes a bumper guard and a cleaning brush. Whether you're distilling, mixing liquors, or barrel aging, this kit is versatile. Remember, this equipment is breakable, so handle it with care. It will help you brew your best batches. What we like. This kit is American-made and includes a high-quality proof and trolley hydrometer. It comes with a borosilicate glass test tube jar and all the accessories you need. If you are looking for a complete, high-quality kit for testing distilled spirits, this product is a great option. What people say. The alcohol meter is easy to use. The product is accurate. It is a great product for the price. Number 1. Triple Scale Hydrometer Combo Set for Homebrew. This set has everything you need. It includes 2 triple-scale hydrometers, a 250 ml test jar, a protective case, and a cleaning brush. It's a complete package to get you started. The hydrometer makes it easy to calculate alcohol percentage. Graduated color bands help you track the brewing progress. It's designed for precision. This tool measures specific gravity, Brix balling, and potential alcohol by volume. You can trust the readings for accurate results. This set helps you measure vital information quickly and accurately. You can make different wines right at home with this set. It's an essential item in the winemaking process. This set is a must-have for any homebrewer looking to create quality beverages. What we like. This set includes 2 triple-scale hydrometers, a test jar, and a cleaning brush. The graduated color bands make it easy to track your brewing progress. If you're a homebrewer looking for a comprehensive and easy-to-use kit, this set provides everything you need. What people say. Easy to use, scale is easy to read and use. It's convenient that there are 2 hydrometers in this purchase. 2 great glass alcohol hydrometers, both of them read the same reading in various liquids, so I'd assume there is some sort of calibration in the production. This hydrometer is great, and there are 2. Both have protective cover boxes, a beaker and cleaning brush. I like this hydrometer most for being easy to read. The gradations are color-coded and wide, so even a middle-aged man in the late evening brewing in the basement can read it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.